Hey everybody, we are at Vogel State Park. We are going to take you on an adventure, walk around the lake, see the falls here. Hope you guys enjoy. We're going to have the Wigglebutts with us and Jupiter on this little hike. And please give us a like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you guys around, and I hope you enjoy the views. Thanks. Alright guys, we're on, I'm not going to even try to pronounce this, but we'll get a close up so you guys can see it. So that we are at a state park, so there is a little bit of a fee. It was just $5 per vehicle, so very inexpensive, and of course it's going to a great cause. But beautiful. Be bear aware. We are in bear country, it says. Bear aware. Okay, let's go this way. But look how gorgeous it is. Don't you guys just love the sounds of nature? Do you hear all the birds? So nice. The water's really high. I don't know if this is the normal level of it, but gorgeous. Look at the little place across the area. I think Jupiter wants to take a dive in the water, or she wants to drink all the water. You had plenty of water before we left, kid. And we just started. You don't need water quite yet. Pretty little beach area over there for people to enjoy. What are you guys doing? Stop trying to eat the greenery. We have a sign coming up. Let's see what it says. Maybe it's something about the fauna in this area. Oh, a mountain laurel. Which I'm assuming is these pretty flowers. We have a leash braid going on. Trying to undo it. They need to burn some energy. Oh, that's the road. Okay. This is the road right here going into the park. So we walk alongside the road for a little bit. But we're here early Monday, so it's not busy at all. Ooh, look at this little pretty lookout area. Now, I'm very sorry I did not look how long this trail is, but it didn't look horribly long on the map. So, should be a fairly short one. Some more mountain laurel. It's all over around here. It's so pretty of a flower. We actually have this flower at our campground where we're staying at, Track Rock, and the bees love it. Those big old bumblebees. Little Jupiter is not enjoying this right now. This is a little panicking her out some. Nope, 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 nope. She's trying to get into the water. Let's not do that, kid. Come on. She's not used to hiking like this. She's very nervous. Coming up to another sign. Okay, red maple. Which we have maple trees. Come on, let's go. Okay, we just did a switch off to make it a little bit easier for me. Or maybe she just likes being in front of the pack. She doesn't like to be in the back. So we're finding out now. But I got Ava now. Ava and Cosmo. Cosmo's even already a better dog when he doesn't have Jupiter's nervous energy to feed off of. Another sign, you guys. What's this one gonna say? There's little birdies that keep on diving in and out of the trees. It says dead tree. Dead trees have a special place in the forest. Get closer. I just hate when dead trees fall down and they fall on something that's very important. But stuff like that happens. Ooh, this is pretty area. Harry says he hears the waterfall. It's coming up soon. Look how much better Jupiter is doing in the front instead of being in the back with me. Ooh, we got another sign. What does this one say? Okay, not my favorite critters, but they serve their purpose. Bats. Bats are actually pretty cool. They eat the mosquitoes. And mosquitoes, I don't know what purpose they have other than to suck my blood. And give me itchy little bites all over. The waterfall sound is getting even stronger. Ooh, nice uncovered area for some sunshine. I don't know if you guys can hear the waterfall yet. We will have to stop here and look over the lake. This is pretty. Guys, just get a load of this. The lake with the mountain view. Alright, you have to be careful. It says the spillway is super slippery, but we're not going in the actual spillway, of course. But look how neat this is. What do you think, little Miss Ava? Cosmo, come on. Okay, and here we go. Little circle area to look at the falls. Okay. Ooh, some big steps, guys. Ugh. I love how it starts getting really cooler in temperature the closer you get to the falls. There we go. Of course, we'll walk down the steps to get a better view. Not so fast, Ava. Her little paws are slipping through. Sorry for the thumb there. Had to stop a phone call. Okay, guys. Listen to that noise. Beautiful.
Yeah, the drone would have been awesome.
Yeah, in state parks you're not allowed to fly the drones, but we still got some beautiful views for you. The bottom part of the falls here. I don't know if you guys can see that. See that little ripple in the water there? That's a snake booking across the lake there. Did you know snakes can swim? Now you do. Beautiful view though here. Widen it out. There you go. And of course the beautiful view of the doggies. And one of those big old bumblebees flying around us. All the pretty wildflowers. We are now on the other side of the lake where we started way across the way there. Some green grass for you guys. This is soft grass. This is not Florida grass, that's for sure. Okay. Excuse you, Ava. The breeze is so lovely. That just cools you right down, but it's nice and cool anyways, but it's just very refreshing. Oh, we're coming up to like a cabin of sorts. I had to take a look. So you're able to rent cabins here, and this is one of the cabins that's to be able, you can rent right on the lake. Absolutely gorgeous. We have more puppies coming this way. More cabins up there overlooking the lake. Hi. A lot of people just starting their walk. It's really cool though. Really pretty cabins, you guys, if you want to visit Vogel State Park. Beautiful. At least they're really pretty on the outside. Well, that's cool. There's a museum here. The Civilian Conservation Corps Museum. Very well maintained. Huge pavilion area right on top of the lake there. We're taking a shortcut. Harry went the long way around. We'll shortcut it this way. Jupiter needs more steps. Ah, it's a theater area. Oh, this is cool, guys. Look at that. The breeze coming off of here is fantastic. Better listen to Dad. We'll pan the camera around where you get the view here from this theater area. Oh my gosh. The breeze, you guys. Feels so wonderful. No diving, it says. No diving. Oh, guys, look. Let's look over here. Looks like you can rent kayaks and those little things that you sit in and use your feet to pedal. That's cool. Thanks for joining us on our little trip around Vogel State Park, around the lake area. It was about 1.6 miles with all of our little turns, roundabouts, areas. So it was fun, it was good, and we highly recommend this place. We haven't even ventured on, there's so many more trails to see at the state park, but this was a short, easy one to take all the dogs on. So hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks. So we thought we would drive through the campground area to show you guys some video of the campground. I'm pretty sure they recently redid this, and they put sewer in all of them. But we won't go through the whole area, but we just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek. Look at down there, a little water area. Look at these sites, they're really well done.
This is a poultry. It's 1, 2, 3 sites together. That's awesome.
It's really, wow. Some are larger than others, of course. Some of them look like they're buddy sites set up, so if you have friends coming with you and they have like, you know, some smaller size campers, you can put them right next to each other. And of course, even passing the dump station area. A lot of cottages and little cabin areas. Another trailhead right to our left right here too. Speed bumps. Again, thanks for watching, everybody.